Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we'll be showing you how to automatically open downloaded files in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Next, we need to download a file of the type you want to automatically open. For example, let's say you want image files to open automatically. Download any image file to get started. Once the download is complete, you will see the downloaded file in the download section, which is located to the right of the address bar. Now here is the key part. Right-click on the file you just downloaded in the Downloads tray. From the context menu that appears, select Always Open Files of this type. What this does is tell Chrome to automatically open all future downloads of this file type without you having to manually open them every time. And that's it. From now on, every time you download a file of that type, Chrome will open it automatically without any extra steps on your part. But what if you want to disable this feature or change it later on? Let me show you how to manage your settings. First, click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of Chrome and select Settings. In the Settings menu on the left sidebar, click on Downloads. Under the Downloads section, look for the setting that says Open certain file types automatically after downloading. If you see any file types listed there, it means they are set to automatically open. To remove any file type from this list, simply click the Delete button next to it. Keep in mind, while this feature is very convenient, it's essential to be cautious about which files you automatically open. Only enable Auto Open for files you trust. Automatically opening files from untrusted sources could potentially expose your system to security risks. That's all for today's tutorial on how to automatically open downloaded files in Google Chrome. We hope you found it helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.